Good morning to our lecturer, Madam May. My name is Nelini Evanisa Nawari, and our group will present on Case 3, which is the future of the autonomous automobile, a strategy for BMW. So first, we will look into the background of BMW first. So on 1916, BMW started as a manufacturer of aircraft engine in Munich, Germany. So in 2008, they turned into a motorcycle and automobile company. So since then, BMW has manufactured motorcycles and also cars, which known for its high quality car in the upper segment of the market. So on 2014, BMW has demonstrated its fully automated car prototype based on regular car models during the Consumer Electronic shows in Las Vegas. So despite of that, first BMW New Era is the 501 model, which a famous classic that quickly established the company as a producer of high quality, technically advanced cars. BMW vision is to be the most successful premium manufacturer in the industry. This statement indicates that BMW wants to define its growth path to remain at the top by investing in the growth strategy to be the premium manufacturer. They emphasize its commitments to produce vehicles that are of exceptional quality, luxuries, performance, as well as advanced technologies. BMW mission is to become the world's leading provider of premium products and premium services for individual mobility. BMW aspires to be at the forefront of the automotive industry, surpassing its competitors in terms of quality, innovation, and market share by focus on producing vehicles that are considered top-tier quality, performance, design, and technological advancement, as well as outstanding customer service and support, which is crucial for enhancing the overall ownership experience. Core values are fundamental beliefs or principles that guide and shape the behavior, decision, and culture of an organization. There are 5 core values of BMW, which are: the first one is responsibilities. BMW take consistent decisions and commit to them personally, which allow them to work freely and more effectively. Second one is appreciation, which BMW reflect on their actions. They respect each other and offer clear feedback and also celebrate the success. The third one is transparency. BMW acknowledge concern and identify their inconsistent in a constructive way. The fourth one is trust, where BMW trust and rely on each other. This is essential if BMW are to act swiftly and achieve their goals. Last but not least, openness, which BMW are excited by change and open to new opportunities by learn from their mistakes. Objective of BMW is to strive to attain the highest level of achievement and performance in the premium automotive sector. The next one is case study purpose. There are 3, which is, the first one is to identify BMW strategy for cars autonomous assistant for drivers, to examine the projected years availability of BMW and other competitors' position for autonomous driving, and last but not least is to identify complex ecosystem issues related to self-driving automobiles in different areas.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Norani binti alias. I will present general environment and industry analysis. For technology segment, first, connected drive. BMW integrates various services and functions like real-time traffic information, emergency assistance, and remote vehicle control. Next, efficient dynamic. BMW continue to focus on improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. These include features like auto start and stop, regenerative braking, and optimized aerodynamic to enhance overall fuel economy. For political segment, self-driving cars have to be explicitly legal and encouraged by regulation, not just be tolerated as a dubious gray area. Authorized have to develop new liability framework. For social culture segment, BMW highlight features such as advanced infotainment system, driver assistant technology, and cutting-edge engineering to appeal to consumers who value innovation and performance. For demographic segment, first affluent professional, BMW is a symbol of success and achievement, appealing to professional and executive in higher income bracket who value luxury, performance, and status. Next, performance enthusiasts. BMW has a reputation for producing sporty and dynamic vehicles with better performance. To attract the brand's emphasis on powerful engine, practice handling, and engaging driving experience. Industry analysis have 5 forces. First, threat of new entrant. Threat is that they bring additional capacity. New competitors may force existing firms to be more efficient and to learn how to compete in new dimensions. For second, bargaining power of supplier. By increasing price and reducing the quality of their products, allows the supplier to exert power over firms. It happens when the supplier goods are critical to buyers' marketplace. Third, bargaining power of buyers. Firms seek to maximize the return on their invested capital, while buyers want to buy product at lowest price. To reduce their cost, buyers bargain for higher quality, greater level of service, and lowest price. Fourth, threat of substitute goods. Goods or services from outside a given industry that perform similarly or the same function as the industry produce. Fifth, intensity of rivalry among competitors. Competitive rivalry intensifies when a firm is challenged by one company. Firms within the industry are rarely homogeneous. They differ in resource and capabilities and seek to differentiate themselves from competitors. That's all from me. Thank you.
Salam sejahtera to our lecturer, Madam May Sapura. My name is Solomon Emilio, and I'm going to present about the internal and external analysis of BMW. So we start with the internal analysis. Based on the case study, we have found that BMW have 4 strengths, which are brand reputation. The second one is handling, engines and traction motors. The third one is information technology integration. And finally, environmentally friendly vehicles. And the weaknesses of BMW are affordability and lack of clarity in risk investment. All of this total up to a weighted score of 2.9, which is average and shows that there is still lots of room for improvement. The next one is the external analysis, EFE matrix of BMW, and we have found 3 opportunities for BMW based on this case study. The first one is to develop new products. The second one is to expand to emerging markets. And finally, the advancement of technology. There are also 3 threats that we have found, which are intense competition, high production cost, and uncertainty in social, legal, technological, and economic aspects. This totals up to a weighted score of 3.5, which is almost average and above average, and there are still so much room for improvement. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Adila binti Sadun and I will be the last presenter of my group. So, I will be present about competitor analysis. Competitive Profile Matrix (CPM) is an analytical tool for company BMW to make improvement and protect specific areas. As we can see in the table, based on rating and score of BMW, Tesla and Audi, we found there were different results from different competitors, and this result is divided into each critical success factor, which is the product design, financial position, brand recognition, and market share. So, the final result from both competitors, we can see that Audi car is ranked at the first place with a total of 3.69. This is mean that their cars are more market demanding compared with other competitors. This is followed with BMW with the total score with 3.03. Last but not least, the third place would be Tesla with the total score is 2.52. Next, I will be present about the SWOT analysis for future of autonomous automobile, a strategy for BMW. For the strengths of BMW, firstly is the brand recognition, which is in 2012, Forbes elected BMW as the most reputable business in the world, and in 2016, it became the second most valuable brand in the automotive industry. Next, the innovation technology that is BMW winning international prize such as Bertolt Lebinger Innovation Award in 2013. For good reputation in the automotive world, BMW is one of the largest and well-known brands in the automobile industry, and BMW is acknowledged worldwide as a successful car maker. Besides, for the weaknesses, increasing debt level, that is, the cost of developing an autonomous vehicle is very high due to it requires to use a lot of machines and technologies. For limited market size, BMW only sells luxury products which are unattainable to low and middle income customers, which are the majority of global market. Lastly, many legal cases. BMW will involve several lawsuits which include case regarding the carbon dioxide emission in Europe. Moreover, for the opportunities, firstly, new models. With all new technologies, BMW could build new models of automobiles of variety of market. Next, lower of segments. BMW could produce automobiles that would be affordable by lower income people. Lastly, increasing affluence. With how lifestyles are changing, a consumer would tend to get luxury stuff. Thus, BMW would take this opportunity capitalize on the change. Last but not least, for traits. Firstly, tough competition. Due to BMW must compete others well-established car brands such as Tesla and Audi. Second, high raw material price. With all the market price increase, the material of raw materials would also increase and would detriment to the growth of organization. Next, fluctuation in oil price. Problems and increasing rates of petrol is another major problem for the company. People are moving towards electric vehicles. Lastly, changing in regulation of country. With increasing environmental concerns from across the world, governments' regulations are getting tighter in terms of production of automobiles. That's all from us. Thank you.